Hello my viewers, welcome to another video. I bought myself this very handy handsaw with Sabre Saw blades. You can cut all kinds of materials with it. It's very compact, easy to carry around in your toolbox or in your pocket. And you can buy Sabre Saw blades as a spare saw. Let's take a quick look at it and give it a short test on different materials. So here we have it. Good hand grip. You can store all the blades here on the back side. And it comes with two blades for metal and plastic. And this one is for wood. Two blades. Let's see how it performs. First I'm gonna try to cut this metal with the metal saw. It's a very thick piece of metal, but it cuts well. Let's see if I can cut one of these. Try the other way. And I have a piece of plywood here. Trying to let the saw do the work, but getting stuck all the time. Works very nice, very easy, simple, cheap, only a couple of euros, easy to keep in your toolbox. So we're back inside. That was the outdoor test, and I do like it has a rubber hand grip. I do like the way of installing the saw blades. They're pretty tight in there. They just move a little bit, but it doesn't matter. I do not like this knob. If you have to use it in a small spot, it's not very handy. And I do not like this place to store your saw blades, because your saw blades will fall out while using it. For the rest, I cannot say very much about it. I hope you like this tool. I hope you like this video. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel for future videos, and thanks for watching.